Julie just came in from Pennsylvania to come pick up her brand new camper van. The team's been working around the clock on it. It really turned out beautiful. I'm hoping she's happy.
This is your new Drifter camper van.
Oh my God, check it out. It's awesome. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I just can't wait.
Seeing the client's reaction, seeing Julie's reaction today, it just couldn't make you feel any better. All the hard work that you put into doing something like this over the last couple of months, the carpenters, electricians, plumbers, designers, interior designers, everybody who gets involved in it. There's a lot of work, but it's just so worth it when you see a reaction from Julie and her daughter coming up from Pennsylvania today. It really is so fulfilling. It makes everything worthwhile when we do something like this. Thank you, Julie. Welcome to the Drifter family.
Scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you?
12. I like it. It's cool. I just want to say thank you to all you Drifter Van guys. You're awesome. Making my dreams come true. Thanks so much. Cheers. Cheers. Happy travels. Cheers, guys.